Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to do the anxiety check-in on the Rooted application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Then you should tap on the My Stats icon down below. Now click on Anxiety Check-in, tap on Got It, and now you need to read the statement and indicate how you are feeling at the moment by tapping on the relevant answer. So answer all these questions, and if there is anything that you would like to share about your feelings, you just need to type it into this box, and if you are done with it, you need to press the button Save. Now you did the anxiety check-in. Now you can keep track of how you are feeling over time, so you can press the button Journal, and you can also see your check-in results here at the My Stats section. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.